This is how the space looked before any planning and how it changed after smart design was applied. In many interior projects, raw finishes are a common starting point. Cement walls, basic lighting, and no clear zones yet. This is a real interior design project completed for an actual client who wanted a calm, warm, and functional Japandi home. You may be in the same situation right now, but with the right layout strategy, materials, and furniture placement, your home can completely transform. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. This is where the living area started. Raw cement walls and a basic ceiling. It had existing beige floor tiles, so those were retained. What this space needed was warmth, zoning, visual balance, and furniture that connects directly to the entertainment area. If you can relate, here's how it's done. Instead of keeping a single exposed light, you can add a cove ceiling with warm LED strip lighting and recessed pin lights around it. Immediately, your living area feels calm and welcoming. The warm glow spreads across the warm, creamy off-white wall paint. Its clean base reflects light but still feels soft. Now that the ceiling softens the light and the walls create warmth, you define function through furniture. Place an L-shaped fabric sofa in warm taupe, making the space feel more comfortable. Position it along longer wall to keep the entry open for walking. Add neutral throw pillows to make your sofa feel softer while keeping your color palette calm. Pair it with a round solid wood coffee table with minimal decor. This softens the walkways and introduces wood finishes, one of the key elements of Japandi interiors. Underneath, add a ribbed area rug, softening the floor tiles and making the living room feel warmer and quieter. On the right side of the sofa, consider an oak side table with open shelving. It gives you light storage while keeping the space visually open. Beside it, place a medium indoor palm plant in a white ceramic pot to add life and contrast. Instead of leaving the left corner empty, place a compact oak side table. This table is functional but light. It gives you storage for small items and a surface for decor like small plants. The oak finish matches your coffee table and side table, so your materials stay consistent. Add a drum fabric floor lamp, creating another layer of warm lighting. In front of the seating area is your TV wall. Here, install vertical wood slat panels to elevate the space while instantly adding warmth and texture. At the center, install a large marble look panel. The marble adds elegance and contrast, creating a strong focal point as soon as you enter the space. Add a floating TV console in white and oak, so exposing more floor makes the area feel bigger. It also hides wires and devices, solving clutter problems before they even start. Mount your flat-screen TV directly at the center of the marble panel. When you sit on your sofa, your eyes naturally land at the center. You can mount rectangular mirror that reflects natural light, helping your narrow space feel brighter and more open. Add another indoor plant on one side. The organic shape of the leaves balances the structured vertical slats. For the window, hang layered blinds in neutral beige that allow you to filter daylight softly. Now, your living area feels warm instead of raw. Your seating connects naturally to your entertainment wall, and your materials repeat across surfaces. You can achieve this design for about $2,700 to $2,900, and similar products can be found in the product tags. As this is a narrow open space, you can place the dining area beside the seating area. The goal is to define the dining zone without building walls, repeat wood tones, and introduce symmetry with a centered layout, so the dining area has its own identity. You position the solid wood rectangular dining table centered on this wall, creating balance and proper circulation on all sides. Pair the table with 6 matching wooden dining chairs with fabric seats. Spacing them evenly around the table ensures easy movement and keeps the layout symmetrical. You can place a neutral patterned rug underneath to anchor the table and chairs, clearly defining the dining zone separate from the living area. Centered above the dining table, install 2 dome pendant lights in soft matte white. This brings the ceiling height down visually, making the space feel more intimate and proportioned. Then center 2 textured Japandi wall art pieces, creating vertical symmetry from ceiling to wall to furniture. This dining design and arrangement make the space feel professionally designed. This can be done for around $1,650 to $1,850. What this coffee station needed was purpose, storage, and visual continuity with the dining area. You can create a built-in oak finish cabinet system with flush pocket sliding cabinet door. Because it is built in, it does not block circulation. It sits flush against the wall, maintaining your narrow walkway. Inside the niche and along the counter, a marble look panel is used. Its finish adds contrast against the warm oak cabinet. Under each shelf, install warm LED strip lighting. This adds depth and highlights the marble texture behind. The closed cabinet keeps your coffee station visually clean. You can hide coffee items inside and use it as a pantry. The counter acts as your working surface, a durable base for your coffee machine, especially with heat and possible spills. Now, this balances practicality and aesthetics, so your coffee station feels organized and warm. This is how your kitchen started. Let's retain the L-shaped layout because it already supports good workflow and keeps the existing white quartz material. The goal is to create concealed storage, proper appliance placement, and a better working zone. The lower cabinets are the foundation of your kitchen storage, so push-to-open lower cabinets in oak finish were installed. This hides the exposed pipes, so you see clean wood panels instead. This is also where you store heavier kitchen items. You can install an upper cabinet system in white laminate. This immediately hides clutter, maximizes vertical storage, and reflects light. In the open shelf, you can add warm under-cabinet LED strip lighting. This removes harsh shadows and gives you proper lighting for daily kitchen tasks. On one end of the counter, you can put the refrigerator into a tall cabinet panel system. It frames your refrigerator neatly, so the appliance looks integrated instead of separate. The upper section increases storage. You use this area for items you don't need every day, extra pantry goods, or seasonal kitchen tools. This is what proper planning and material consistency can do for you. Your kitchen is not just for cooking, it becomes part of your everyday living experience. Now, your once raw interior with basic finishes has become a complete Japandi home. This is what happens when you focus on planning, function, and material consistency instead of just decoration. And if you're ready to turn your raw space into a warm, functional home like this, your transformation can start with proper planning. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.